Hello guys, how are you? If you have any Canon printer, there are problem, some issue like this. There are display nothing, and green light is often. Okay, if you have same issue, you just remove cable from printer. Okay, like this, not only socket, you also remove from printer. Okay, in here. Okay, then you open this power source, and you check there are something in display. Okay, and if you have any color issue, you should be fresh. You just press one time, then coming like this logo. After then you just press plus. Now one time have, and you other 9 time press. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, you just press another 9 time, then you should you check here 10 time. Okay, you just here 10. Okay, then you press this one color press, and then start like this sound. Okay, after you just waiting like this 3 minutes 4 minutes like this. After then solve your problem, color problem. Ya,